think you'll agree with me, this has to be one of the best looking sedan cars ever created. It's Volkswagen's all-new Arteon, and it combines two elements: art, the craft of making something sculpted and beautiful, and Eon, the luxury, dynamic presence. So let's take this, the all-new Arteon, for a drive and see what it adds to this luxury market segment.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
If you're the kind of person that matches your belt buckle to that of your jacket and your shoes and ultimately obsessed with style, you're really quickly gonna fall in love with this new Arteon. It is a simply epic looking thing. In fact, I'm willing to wager a bet with you that if I get a buck for every time someone stops to stare at me or turns around to look as I drive by, I'll quickly pay back what the Arteon costs, because that's the kind of attention it garners. But that being said, the Arteon is a lot more than just pure style and good looks on the outside. It's a very well composed car and ultimately very impressive car to drive. Now, there are two engines in the lineup. There's a 2-litre TDI turbo diesel motor, and then the one I've got at the moment, the 2-litre TSI, which is the petrol driven motor and ultimately a version of the Golf R engine. It basically offers up a whopping 206 kilowatts of power, 350 newton meters of torque, and all of this mated through a DSG gearbox, plus all of this mated to 4MOTION, which means that it's gripping and ultimately tight on the wet roads. Now, on the outside, of course, it's sport styling. The turbofan inspired 20-inch alloy wheels and its cutting lines, but ultimately it's not about a sporty drive so much as a very elegant, planted and understated kind of beauty. When you drive it along, you find it's a very composed car. It's much in keeping with its cabin. It's very top-notch in terms of the material grade and build, and it's ultimately a quiet and insulated place to be seated. But perhaps what jumps at you most of all is the amount of space and comfort in here. Seated up front, I got easy access to the likes of multimedia, the VW composition system, which is all gesture based with swiping, touchscreen. You got the likes of your multimedia controls on the steering wheel, and I've even got some really nice additional touches in this car, like Dyne Audio surround sound, heated seats, a seat which massages me, and the likes of virtual cockpit, as well as a heads-up display. But to top it all off, I'll show you some of the space that you get if I pull to the side of the road and we look what it's like when seated in the back, as well as its massive 563-litre cavernous luggage load area. Now, seated here in the back of the Arteon, it is phenomenal the amount of space you have. Firstly, the Sportback design gives you a whopping boot luggage load area, but then even here with the seat right back in my driving position, I got masses of knee room, huge amounts of headroom, my own air conditioning controls, and ultimately lots of luxury, comfort, and elegance. So to conclude the story, the Arteon. This particular car, the 2-litre TSI, is priced at 699,000 Rand. Of course, you can add a couple of options on which will push it over the 700,000 Rand mark. And then you are sitting in territory with the likes of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class and BMW 3 Series, for instance. What the Arteon offers on top, however, is the Sportback profile, much like the Audi A5. That's a huge amount of practicality, the massive boot space, and ultimately a very spacious interior. You're also getting the whopping 206 kilowatts of power here, and ultimately what is a very composed, stylish, and beautiful product from the brand. From me, Jason of Technobock, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.
Technobock.